Hello everybody. So today we will just speak about how to create a user in Oracle application. So to create a user, you should have a system administrator responsibility in order to be able to see the user screen. First of all, you have to press security menu. So this is the main menu to create the username. And then there is a sub menu called user. Also, you have to press the user. And after this, there is a screen called define. Just double click on the define screen. It will open the screen which is called users. This is the main screen which I will create the user in. First of all, we have to clarify something. You will find some fields which have a yellow background, and some other fields have just white background. So the yellow background in the whole Oracle application, it means that the field is mandatory. So you have to enter something in this field. While the white field, it means it's optional, so you can leave it blank or you can enter things. This is according to you and according to the business which you are working on. So first of all, we will just create a username, a new username. For example, we will just make it like S2house3, just a username, fake username definitely, and then we will just enter the password. So the password will be, for example, 12345, and after this we have to press tab in the keyboard just to confirm the password or make a reconfirmation for the password. So I have to enter the password again, which is 12345, and then press tab. So if Oracle application found that there is a match between the two enter of the password, it will automatically just bring me to description. Otherwise, there will be an error raised called that there is a mismatch between the password and I have to re-enter again. In the description, you can just put any description you want about the username. For example, I will just put the website s2house.com, and here I have to attach the user with a person. A person, I mean an employee, or a customer, or supplier, because you are creating a username to someone to do something inside the Oracle application. So either he is a person, or customer, or supplier. In my example, I will just search for a person. A person, I mean an employee. I cannot enter a free text. I have to choose from a predefined list of value. This list of value contains all of the employees who have been defined inside this instance or this environment or Oracle application environment. For example, I'm searching for S2House as well. So there is a fake employee called S2House. I've created already, and as it's just a one name, so the system chooses it automatically. And if there is a customer, also there is a list of value contains all customers. You have to choose from the customers, suppliers as well. And if the person is attached with email, so the email will just appear here automatically. Otherwise, you can enter any email you want, and you can override as well. So s2house.com. So this is the first part. The second part is the password expiration. So do you want this username to log in for specific days, specific number of days? For example, I need shouse3 to be able to log in for the coming 30 days. After this, the system will automatically close the username or expire this username. Or you want this username to have a specific number of accesses. So after 30 times of accessing, the system will automatically also close this username or deactivate. We can say it will be deactivated. Otherwise, choose none. None, it means that the username will be able to log in or will be activated until I put a to date, which is an expiry date, a specific expiry date. So as you see here in the effective dates, there is a from date which the username will start working on that date, and there is a to date which is the expired date of the username. As you see, from date is a mandatory field while to is an optional field. so you can leave it blank. After this, we have to attach responsibilities. So the responsibilities, any responsibility contains of screens, reports, and data. So what responsibility will be attached to this user? This is according to his role inside the organization, for example. So I will choose, also you cannot enter free text, you have to choose from a list or a value list contains all of the responsibilities. For example, I will choose S2 house as well. So in S2 house, and press OK. Sorry, I have to put as well a percentage, and yeah, okay, there is an S here. S2 house. So there is a responsibility called S2 house HRMS super user. I have defined it already, and it's under human resources application. And if there is a description, I will put a description as well, and it will start from 29 of September 2013. And if there is an end date like the username, I have to put it, and it's optional. I can attach as much as I can from the responsibility. So I will attach the system administrator responsibility, for example, as well, here, like that. Administrator. So let us search for the system administrator, which is one of the main responsibilities inside Oracle application. Yeah, it's here. This is system administrator, and then press OK to shown in the username. After this, I have to save. So I can save either by press this icon, which is save, or by Control S. So if I just save this record, there will be a status. It will appear automatically here, which is active. It means that my username is now active, and I can use it, and I can log in to Oracle application by this username. This is the first thing. Secondly, I will just speak about how to can you create a responsibility.